everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to make a superannuation account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in www.australiansuper.com/superannuation and press enter. Once you end up in the official web page of Australian Super, scroll down and click on this Not a Member option if you don't have an account yet and you'd like to create one. If you already are a member, click on Already a Member and follow the instructions. To join into a new account, click on this Join Australia's Largest Super Fund option and enter your email address in the text box appearing on the right hand side. Make sure to enter a valid email address for yourself and click on I've read the privacy collection statement box and click Get Started. On the next page, provide some of your details. Type in your first name and your last name, enter your date of birth information, select your gender and click Continue. If you live inside Australia, make sure to check this Australia circle. If you live outside Australia, check this next option and follow the instructions. Enter your address information like it asks you on the display, and after filling in all of the information, click on Continue. Enter your valid phone number in the first text box on the next page and scroll down. If you want to subscribe to the new daily news site, check this little box at the bottom. If not, leave it unchecked and click Continue. Enter your tax file number if available. If not, you can skip this step since it's an optional. Now click on the Continue button to move on the next page. Answer some of the questions that has been asked to you throughout the process and click Continue. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll get to review your answers. Simply go ahead and make any kind of a change if you want, if you've typed in any wrong information and you'd like to edit them, and finally click on the Submit button. Now, once you become a member for Australian Super, your member number will be displayed right here. Now you'll receive an email shortly about registering for online access for your account. Make sure to keep this copy of your member number for future reference, and all you need to do now is to wait for an email on your registered email address and you'll receive guidance on how to access your online account. That is how you can easily open an account or make an account for superannuation. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.